Hi guys, it's Temi with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. So the last couple of videos I've done have been new in videos, like new handbags that designers are currently putting out. I did one for Kate Spade and I did one for Coach. And both videos will be linked in the description box below. And so seeing everything that is coming out for fall winter, I have been getting an itch. And in order to scratch that itch without spending all that money, I have decided to shop my closet. Hopefully it will help if you want to shop your own closet for the season, or if you're not shopping your closet, that's fine. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy all of this handbag candy. So the first thing I'm going to be shopping for is fun bags that have recently been released or will soon be released by Coach. So first is the Peanuts collection from the outlet store. They just released their Peanuts Christmas collection. So all of the prints on that collection are holiday themed, so it's very nice, very fun, very vibrant and playful. And then also you have the Scooby-Doo collection that Coach Boutique is releasing very soon. In fact, some of the pieces are already available to order from the store. If you have a relationship with a sales associate, you can place that order. It is not yet available online though. I'm not particularly a Scooby-Doo fan. I have seen some of the pictures. They're very beautiful, very well done, classic Coach, but I do like that fun vibe. So the trick for me when I'm shopping my closet is not to get an exact match of what is out there, of the trends I'm seeing and the things I like, but to get something as close to it as possible that will give me the same vibe when I put together an entire look. Now, another collection that is coming out soon, I think by Coach Outlet as well, is the Zodiac collection. So there's going to be a couple of Zodiac signs on different pieces at the outlets. Again, I'm not particularly a Zodiac person, but I do love that fun vibe. So what I'm looking for here to cover these three collections is something fun and playful. Now, lucky for me, I do have an item from the Peanuts collection at Coach Outlet last year, and I got this in the summer of last year. I think that's when this collection dropped. It is a backpack, a mini backpack, very cute. I immediately fell in love with this when it was released, and I bought it, and I'm so glad I did. So this definitely covers fun and playful. And so this definitely scratches the itch for all of those new items that are dropping that are fun and playful. I've used this a couple of times, mostly when I go to themed parks and playgrounds and things like that with my son. My son has carried this himself as well when we went on summer vacation this year. This was his personal item on the plane, and I think when we went to Bahamas as well, he had this backpack with him. So it's really very cute. It's not as small as it looks. It definitely packs a punch, and I have enjoyed using it for the past year that I have had this bag. So another new item or new collection that I've really been liking is the ski collection by Coach Boutique. Now, every year Coach does a ski capsule collection, and they have really nice, beautiful items. Actually, I really liked the patches from the ski collection last year. This year they've done like an exaggerated puffer vibe. Now, we've seen puffer and pillow bags all through for like the past 3 years, but this particular ski collection, the key word is exaggerated, and there's a lot of other brands that are doing the same thing as well. And so I've seen this a lot on different handbags, and I really like the vibe that it gives. It just gives that cozy coat vibe, like exaggerated puffer vibe. And I do actually have a coat like that. Maybe I should have pulled it out for this video, but so that definitely gives me the vibe when I'm dressing up. But as far as handbag goes, I do have this Tory Burch Ella puffer bag. Now, the puffs or the quilts on this bag are not as exaggerated as the Coach collection, the Coach ski collection, but it definitely does carry the same vibe, and it definitely gives me the same look when I put together an outfit, and definitely want that exaggerated look this winter. This one will be the one I'm grabbing for sure. Now, the next bag that I've been really liking recently, which is actually a very trendy piece, is the Versace Medusa bag. Now, this bag comes in different variations. There's a shoulder, there's the circle bag, there's a heart version, there's the top handle bag. I think the top handle is the most popular, but what I particularly like about this bag is the black version. I like all of the different styles in the black. There's just something about that gold Medusa head, the Versace logo on the closure, that stands out against the stark black. I absolutely love gold and black as a combination, and the way that back is sleek and clean, all black with just that gold metal piece there. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I also like the versions that come with the chunky gold chain, which I believe takes the simple black look up a notch, makes it very edgy but still very like trendy at the same time. So what I definitely like from that style and about that bag is the edginess and the classiness at the same time, if that makes sense. And so looking at my collection, when I was thinking what I had that could fit into that category, that could give me the same vibe and look, I landed on my Coach Beat Clutch. So this is a clutch style bag, more or less like a baguette. It is black, and then I did some Coach create, so some customization to put pins on the flap of the bag, so it gives that gold vibe on the stark black, which I absolutely love. Now it does come with a thin gold or brass chain. It's actually brass, and this one is non-removable. So what I decided to do to give it that chunky chain vibe that the La Medusa has is to tuck in, like if I want to use this and get that edgy vibe, I will tuck in that thin chain strap. Then I'm going to use my thickest Beats bag strap. Now this is the strap from the large Beats shoulder bag. So this one that I have, this chain strap from this bag, and I do have a video on my entire big bag collection. If you want to see that, I will leave that link in the description box below, as well as all my previous videos on all of the bags that I'm going to be showing you from my collection in today's video. So let's put this strap on the bag. There, and so that definitely gives me the chunky chain vibe that I am looking for. Of course, you don't have to have a Coach chain strap. There are a variety of straps out there that are even thicker, even chunkier. You can get them off Amazon, off Etsy. I just think that with what I have in my closet, because the idea is not to go out and spend any more money, but look into my closet and make use of what I have. So this is a combination of what I have, and I'm very, very happy with the results. And you know what, as I was talking about the different La Medusa styles out there, I just remembered that the La Medusa shoulder bag is very similar to this Kate Spade Little Better Sam bag. And then I put the same beads chain on the bag, and this is what it gave me, and I really, really like it. I've never used this chain on this bag before, and this is absolutely better than I've been doing all this while with this Little Better Sam. So yeah, I think I absolutely like this, and it definitely gives me that vibe as well. So yay, I got two options from shopping my closet, so I really, really feel happy about that. So next is shelling bags. We just have to agree that with fall winter comes a whole load of shelling and fur and Sherpa bags and coats and all of those beautiful luxurious feeling items, soft and cozy and warm. So there have been a bunch of shelling, Sherpa and fur bags that different design houses have released, not just Coach, several other houses as well. I feel like at this point it's just basic tradition once fall and winter rolls around. I'm personally not crazy about shelling and fur, and so I don't think that I need like more than one or two of such bags. And so last year I did get this Simbono bag in this classic neutral color. So this is in like a creamy beige type color with brown accents, and this is the Vienna top handle. So I absolutely love this. It is so cute, and I just attached this chain as decoration. It didn't come with a bag. This came with an Aldo bag that I have, but it is very cute. I also have a video on this, again as with all the others. I will link it below. As a top handle bag, I think it is perfect for all my shelling needs this season. There is actually another shelling bag. Actually this one is faux fur that I'm currently eyeing from Kate Spade. Absolutely love it. I talked about it in my last video on new items at Kate Spade. I'll leave that linked below for you as well. So just another, maybe another shelling bag or faux fur bag to add to my collection. I'm not rushing out to go and buy it, but it's just something I'm considering. There is another shelling item that I absolutely cannot get off my mind. It is this cute shelling pouch released recently by Coach. I don't know, there's just something about this pouch. It's not very small. It's actually bigger than it looks. It definitely holds a phone, but the fact that you could just wear it crossbody and just go about your day, or even wear it to a night and evening event, I think it would be absolutely great for an evening event because it is shelling, and so it looks already very luxurious and expensive. I absolutely like it. I might get it if it goes on sale. I'm not sure yet, but I really like it. I just like the black I think it's the color black I like. It comes in black and it comes in like a burgundy color or wine. But I think it's the black I like the most with that gold chain. I do have a number of black bags, so I really shouldn't be looking at any other black bag. So I'm trying to convince myself that this Tory Burch Velvet Beauty here fills that purpose. It is a camera bag. It has a crossbody strap, which is chain and leather, so it does give me the same vibe. So I'm going to definitely wear a crossbody, just like that Coach Shearling pouch. So they'll both be one crossbody. This is velvet, that is Shearling, but it does still have that same sleek, luxurious, elegant look. And this one even goes a step further by having that beautiful beading that is very well done on it there. So I'm really trying to convince myself that this serves the purpose that that Shearling pouch will. So fingers crossed, I will not spend any money. Besides that Shearling pouch, there is another Shearling item from Coach that I actually paid close attention to, and it is the Shearling Madison. I love the Madison bags. I just love that style of handbag. I have some in my collection. I honestly don't use them as much as I should, but I just love that style of shoulder bag, you know, with the chain and everything. I like the Shearling Madison, but because I know that I may not get as much wear out of it, I'm like, okay, I'm definitely not going to buy it. I already have a Madison bag. It's a tri-fabric Madison, you know, with the plain leather, pebble leather and suede. And so I really considered, in place of getting the Shearling Madison, getting the Pillow Madison, because there was another Pillow Madison in a smaller size, not the same size as this one I have, in the smaller size. And so I considered, in fact, I was waiting for it to go on sale so that I will buy that, and then that will fill the space of a Shearling Madison or any other Madison for that matter. But then the hardback came out. The Coach hardback came out, and it just ticked all the boxes. It was the same black as both the Shearling and the Pillow Madison. It has quilts just like the Pillow Madison. I mean, it has, that's it. And this is my beauty. This is my newest baby. Absolutely love the handbag. I'm definitely not getting the Shearling Madison or the Pillow Madison anymore, because this bag just, it has my heart. It literally has my heart. So to see a more in-depth review of this beautiful Coach quilted leather handbag, you want to click on this video and go watch my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.